What's the meaning of cop shop? Cop shop. Cop shop.
Cop shop. Cop shop. Cop shop is a colloquial term for a police station or law enforcement office. It is often used informally to refer to the physical location where police officers work, receive assignments, and conduct investigations. The term cop is derived from the word constable on patrol, which refers to a police officer who is on duty and actively patrolling the streets. The word shop here refers to the workplace or office of the police force. Overall, cop shop is a slang term commonly used to refer to a police station or office.